We have a new kitty that has just recently shown up. She is feral. And she's losing her winter coat, so she looks funny. Been calling her Puffin because she's puffy. And of course there's Michelin. Michelin likes to bring in the homeless. Enjoy your breakfast, guys. Okay, I came to Home Depot for a few necessary items. To restore my vent hood, I had to get rust dissolver, and looks like I'm going to have to paint it, so I got some silver spray paint. For my bathroom, I got a new faucet, and for $4.46 I got all this scrap wood. So I'm happy. This will allow me to build my shelves and fill in the walls behind the stove. So that works for me. Good thing I brought the van, huh? I'm going to load it up and go. Today is Sunday, April 14th, 2019, and it is about 70 degrees in here. So we had a cool front come through. And 38% humidity. That's pretty low for our area. So I came down to do a few things in the Silver Streak. And I remembered to bring down a knife. So that's going to help. Okay, and I'm starting to just bring a few items in here, you know, because I just don't have any storage for things. So this is for my kitchen, and I found silicone pot holders at 99-cent store, $1 each. Not bad. So I just brought them down, put them in that drawer. I have brought down these cutting boards that are going to be used in my closet on top of this metal shelf for my microwave and my toaster oven. And of course this little serving tray that I thought was cute. You never know, might come in handy. More shelf paper. And a bath faucet. So if I can find my tools. Everything is so haphazard with me right now, it's crazy. But anyhow, if I can find my tools, I'll work on the plumbing today. Last year, my friend Patty and I were at a resale shop, and she actually saw this material. It's like $5 for this whole great big thing. And this will become my curtains. And there's plenty of it because I'm only cutting it. Plenty of it because I'm only cutting it to window length. So that'll be awesome. That'll work. That will work. I've been using the word awesome, overusing the word awesome too much lately. And then I bought this at a resale shop. And this will serve as the shears for my windows. Because I like having my curtains open, but I also like my privacy. And the shears will give me privacy. So yeah, I just wanted to bring this down, clip it up, and see how it would work. Looks like it's gonna be just fine. It's actually a little bit retro looking, isn't it? That's a plus. Check it out. $4.99. 4 yards. Can't beat it. I hope that the person that donated this will be happy that it's going to a retro RV. This material here also came from a resale shop. I bought it for the bedroom window. That's going to be great. Or if I have enough left over from the living room, I might make a panel for in here. I could make 2 panels and switch them out. This panel right here will be going over this window because my cats will be in this area and they're not getting curtains. They're getting something like this that they cannot destroy. I bought these little packages of metal corner decorations a while back from Michael's, and I wanted to use them on my cabinets. They look nice. So I put one in each corner, and then my little overhead thing, I put one on each corner of that also. Very cute. I'm, getting a little ahead of myself here, but I'm getting tired of the grunt work, and I just kind of wanted to do something fun. I like them. They look very cute. They do have stick-on pads, which I don't think that they'll really stay on there very long. So I will get screws, pull off the stick-on pads, and screw them down eventually. I bought this container for pet food, but I'm not too sure if it's gonna go in past the closet door. Closet doors are really super narrow on this thing. And this lid was in storage. I need to put that back in my van and see if it'll fit my Instapot. Let's set it aside where I'm not gonna break it. And of course, I couldn't find this cable. So I dug through stuff and found this cable. This is a scratch all that I took out of storage, and awesome, I have one of these. This is a plumber's tool, and it will come in handy for installing my bathroom faucet. I guess I'm not too sure what this is, but it looked like it might be handy for my window curtains. It did not fit through that narrow cabinet door, so I'm going to return it. I have other things I could use. I just thought that would be handy. Here is the new bathroom faucet. Here is the old bathroom faucet. There is a lot of grime around that. But I'm just going to pull out this one and kind of gauge it, make sure it doesn't hang over too far. Whoops. Okay, no, it's not going to extend out over too far, because that was one of my concerns, was how far the neck was going to go over the sink, because RV sinks are small and they require a short neck. However, I don't want to buy another cheap plastic piece. Oh, that's got some plastic on it too. But anyhow, yeah, I just didn't want to buy another one of those. And now I have to figure out how to take it apart from underneath, which won't be as difficult as I thought, because since this wall is off right here, the cabinet wall, it makes it easier to work with. However, I have to clean up that grime once I get the old one off. It's already 4 in the afternoon, and after looking at the way this faucet is, the bottom connectors, compared to what this is like underneath it's 1974. New is 2019. It's like, oh, I don't think I want to get into this today. I will save this project for another day. Look how rusted the old attachments are. But it's already like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just don't want to get into all this. That's really bad. Oh no. Okay, we'll save this project for another day. Most girls do like their pretties. I have a pair of wind chimes to keep inside. I have to fix them. They kind of fell apart a little bit, so I have to glue those back up. That's no big deal. And I might just hang them up here in the corner of my kitchen. I just brought him out to look at him. So that's it for today. I got a little bit done, but not as much as I wanted to. But it just seems like today's just full of challenges without any power, and it seems like everything I lay down, I lose. It's one of those kind of days. So anyhow, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And live the life you love. So pretty.